Hello everyone and welcome to Investing Angles. Today we are on the verge of recording a once-in-a-lifetime event for US $10 yield. And in this quick video we will discuss the yield, obviously, then the event, and then we will discuss the TLT and developments there. And we will end our session with a quick update for Nasdaq and Elliott Waves there, and also the Volatility Index. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and share the word around. You can find more detailed analysis and premium charts on the Investing Angles website, where we offer several subscription packages, including a free reader package introduced recently for select articles and charts. All right, let's jump in with a closer look at yield. So this is the monthly frame. This is the monthly frame for US government bonds and their 10-year yield. So what is happening right now, and this is as we speak, and a once-in-a-lifetime event. You can show it to your children, grandchildren, and whoever you want. But this is it. 100 months moving average is about to cross the 200 months moving average, which is an epic golden cross, and it will be recorded most likely today. And if nothing happens in the yield and bonds world, this cross will be recorded in December. So what is so epic about it? We need to scroll down. We need to roll back away. So let me do it for you. So this is the chart that we are talking about. This is the monthly chart starting with 1913. And what we can see here, that the same set of crosses. Let me zoom in here. So the 50 over 100, 50 over 200, and 100 over 200. So these three crosses, last time they happened, well, this is when they happened. Early 90s, 1952, 1954, 1951. So these were the when the crosses were made last time. And what happened after that? This was the curve. This is the this is how it rallied, and it ended in 15.8 in year 1981. So 30-year rally. Will it happen this time? We don't know, but the event is epic, and this is something to think about. What we can tell, so this is our chart that we made December 17, 2022, 2 years ago to be precise, and this is expectation. So this is the perspective, this is potential expectation for the chart if we run some Elliott Waves and a few other technical components to try to understand how it works. So we are saying that possibly, like for another 40 years, we're going to have a super duper rally. All right, so let's get back to the candles and see what's going on here right now. So far, after this epic event, it's difficult to expect anything bearish on the side. However, so far the yield has been retracing after possibly a very nice impulsive wave, and what we are seeing here, it's about to make a small cross, 50 over 200 DMA, daily moving average. So far the weekly is bearish, but it's still above the major support lines, and the 10-day frame is also bearish. However, it holds above the major support lines. So we are not sure if it gets a confirmation here and goes down, or it will just stops here and resume its rally upward. The most interesting thing that how the Fed officials are going to react on this, and what the Fed will do and what will they say. That would be a big difference, probably. All right, so now let's move to TLT. If we look at the TLT candles, So what we are seeing right now, the moving average 50 over 200. So this cross happened earlier in November and in October, November, and right now we see that it is moving down for the monthly frame. So that the short-term frame, the daily, it's been a battle over this 200 days moving average, and if the candle forms like this, it looks like the bulls are gonna lose it for now. And just a reminder, this is the cross 50 over 200. It's a bearish one, a death cross, so-called. So this is a minor cross which so highlighted the move down, move up, but well, we'll see how it handles the cross here and what would be the candle here. So far, we are seeing TLT has a better chance to move down. We'll see how the day closes. Tomorrow, we'll be closing the 2-day frame in 1 day, 2 hours. And if it closes like this with a bearish engulfing, I would say that there's almost a guaranteed path to move down. And let's have a look at the frame, the Elliott Waves that we discussed in our weekly report and monthly report recently. So far, we were tracking two paths. The red one potentially forming an impulse of the bottom, and a green one potentially making a corrective wave, a flat or a zigzag as ABC. Well, that's so far. It's still in being decided, and if we just look at the candles, the chances for a deeper move down are higher. Well, whether this line, the red line, holds here, we don't know, but the expectations, the probability of moving further down are higher at the moment. All right, so let's move on to what we are seeing in Nasdaq. So this is the frame at this is the wave at the micro level, and it is far from being impulsive. We can see it could be a very ideal flat or zigzag. Uh, Based on your preferences, but I think that there is a little unfinished business here. The big question whether Nasdaq, this is futures, Nasdaq will make a new higher high, new all-time high or not. If it doesn't, well, then we will consider this wave as an impulse down, and I'm talking about this wave. So this could be an impulse, and well, then we would expect another impulse or a bigger wave down after this flag technically completes. So if we look at this slightly bigger picture, this would be our expectations. So we are thinking about this potential impulse down, then the big flag, bearish flag, and if Nasdaq doesn't make a new all-time high, we would see two chances. First of all, it could be wave C, or it could be a wave 3 of a bigger impulse. All right, so that's the perspective for Nasdaq, and let's move on to volatility and see what is going on right now. So this is the 4-hour chart, and it's just closed the 4-hour candle. And well, let's have a closer look. So far, it looks like there is a possibility of a closer bottom, but we are not sure about this yet. So we need to wait until we see a better closure and a few more candles developed. So there is nothing that we can say here with for sure. Well, the candle is so far it's bearish continuation. If it can move lower, but well, we need to watch the 4 hours. We'll see how it goes. All right, so that wraps up our quick analysis about the epic event in the yield 10-year yield, and also we covered in this quick video for TLT, Nasdaq, and the Volatility Index. If you like what we were doing, support us with your subscriptions, and don't forget to check the free reader package that we are right now offering on select articles on our website. Thank you and happy trading, everyone.